Oi, Captain Taff. If the lads back home could see me now.
The men do sorely lack a place to do their wenching and debauching. With a little coin encouragement, I could have the old place Bristol fashion and a flow of rum fit to obliterate a good tar proper like.
Oi, Captain Taff. If the lads back home could see me now. Ordered round by a Welshman.
You a moment for me?
A good captain. He takes care of his men, yes? The sailors are un peu dissatisfied that there are no women of comfort here. I know just where to find them, but we need to build them a home.
Oi, Captain Taff. If the lads back home could see me now. Ordered round by a Welshman.
Jesus.
You'll like these, Captain. Captain Canway, if you seek treasure, I can help. Perhaps another time, then.
Leaving already?
I think this cove suits you best, Edward. Better than that costume does.
Oh, come on now. We're pirates, kid. We take as we please and become who we like. Self-made men.
But that look ain't you. It's not who you are.
Who am I then?
Hard to tell some days. All I know is you like dangerous prizes.
Like the observatory. I think you know more about that than you let on in Nassau.
You noticed that, did you? Meet me at 20 degrees, 3 minutes latitude just off the coast of Yucatan. I'll have something to show you there in a few weeks' time.
A hand, Captain. We've some keep I'd like to bring to the village folk.
It must have been dire for people here under Ducasse.
This place is ours now, so the people here are our responsibility.
Aye. We'll do what we can.
These are the rations I mentioned. Let's take them to the tavern.
I've got it.
Oi, mate. I say we just ransack the house, huh?
I'd sooner burn it to the ground, huh?
You will shut your mouths or be buried next to that house. The crew lack discipline.
They are an eager bunch. They just need to direct that enthusiasm.
They also lack the skill to upkeep the ship. Not a decent carpenter in the whole lot. We'll sink for rot if we don't change that soon.
Aye, we are short certain talents.
A master-at-arms and a shipwright. Those would cure what ails the jackdaw.
I'm guessing you've an idea who might help us.
I've heard of a man who could whip our crew into shape. He was a real terror of the seas before he found religion. His name's Abel Galvao. He goes by Padre now.
If you say he's got the stuff, then I would like to find this Padre.
He ministers to a village in Punta del Caracol. If you can get him, he won't disappoint.
That leaves the shipwright.
This Lucy Baldwin is an expert shipwright. But if the rumors are true, she is riotous.
She'll fit right in.
Word is, she's been captured by the British and is being held below deck at Salt Key.
Someone of her quality should not suffer under the King's tyranny. We liberate this shipwright, and we find this Padre.
What's our course today, Captain? It's a fine day for any kind of mischief.
What's your feeling?
I'll make no secret of wanting to see the British brought to heel. If we can take their gold and put it to use ourselves, I'd be a happy man.
Spoken like a true Welshman, Ade.
And what's your aim?
Master Kidd hinted at a prize he was eager to show me down in Tulum. Quite some distance, mind, on the Yucatan Peninsula.
You trust him to play it fair?
I can't be sure. He has a way of picking away at my... that gives me pause. I should go see him soon.
Ease the mains off the wind!
Mainmast! Bring in the top halyards! Pull!
Fire! Loose all sail!
Aloft, lads! Check those royals!
All right, Jack, sing.
Fire! Fire! Make him back up! Fire! Ease off! Bring in some sail!
The mains! Close gallants!
Captain!
Keep them off our decks!
Grappling hooks away! Let's to the prize!
Tengo un disparo claro. ¡Atacad todos! ¡Atacad! ¡Suerte! ¡No te salvará!
No use wallowing about here.
They're aloft! Do not leave them muzzled!
Trim as near the wind as you dare!
Out on all the sail we have!
Give us a shanty.
Ready,
Fire! So, all hands on deck!
Fire! 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 Clew up the foremast main!
Ease the spanker! Hold down!
Fire!
Ready to go!
Should we board her, sir?
Keep them
Pull!
back!
Reel the lubbers in!
Nose down! Catch some wind! Crowding on, all of it!
Bring some over in the water, Captain!
Over the bow, sir! Let's have a song then.
Fancy some fresh meat, Captain?
Let's hunt, lads. Lost him! Keep an eye out for that fin.
Look out! Larboard!
Success! That's right! Tire yourself out!
The rope! Yes, Captain! See anything yet? Look out! Forward! He's on! The beast is dead! They caught the hammer!
A fine haul today, sir.
Man your stairs, we trim too.
Raise your voices, me trumps!
Farewell and adieu to you, Spanish ladies. Farewell and adieu to you, ladies of Spain. For we've received orders for to sail for old England, and we may never